everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making furry flip-flops. You can use any flip-flops of your choice. All you're going to need is some fur trims, the infamous E6000 glue, and a needle and thread. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to need to put on the flip-flops so you can measure the ankle part. For the ankle strap, I already did that, so all I got to do is just start sewing on the ankle part. Let's see how we're going to do it. And this fur is shedding like crazy. I got the back on. But anyway, we didn't make it work. So now I'm gonna go in the shoe first. Through there. Take it through there. Then go back around it. Thread acting like it doesn't want to go through. Okay, there we go. You shouldn't have to go too many times around it. I know it's going to be hard to see, but I'm going to take it and go around it one more time, a couple of more times actually, to make sure it's actually secured. Making sure I'm going through the feather. Okay, now I got the hang of it now. Okay. And you can use any color thread that you want to use. I'm using like a navy blue thread. It seems like it's getting secured. One more time. Making sure I go under that little string that's inside the fur to help it stay secured. All right, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. And that's gonna be for your strap in the back for the ankle part. Okay, now that we got the straps all sewed on to the back, now it's time to glue on the thong part of the flip-flop with your infamous E6000 glue. So I already measured it out, so I'm just gonna measure it out again. And these are flip-flops that I just be walking around around the house. So I decided to add some fur to it. Make them pop. This should be all the fur that I need. I shouldn't have to put any more. Unless you want to put more fur on top of it. It's up to you. So I'm gonna glue the strap first and then just stick it on there. Make sure y'all can see. Okay. I don't want to do too much. Get the glue in. Okay. And looks like it's a little bit of excess feather left. Let me go ahead and cut that off. Okay. It looks good. Yeah, it looks good. Didn't really have to do much. But yeah, it's all on there. Okay, I'm about to do the other strap. Same way. So now that we got our furry flip-flops completed, we can now try them on. Yeah, let's go see. Yeah, they turned out pretty nice. My toe's not done, but I don't think y'all can tell really. But anyway, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.